Morning guys. So it is 6 AM on Friday. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm literally, as you can tell, I'm just finishing work. I've done what have I done? Came in at 8 o'clock last night, but bear in mind yesterday I had the kids, so I've been up basically since 6 o'clock yesterday morning. To 24 hours. Been up 24 hours, absolutely shattered. Now I'm going to drive to Gordale Scar. Oh yeah, let's do it. Well, I say I'm going to drive to Gordale Scar. I'm going to attempt to drive to Gordale Scar. Loaded up on Greg's. Yeah. Well, I was debating about getting an hour's sleep before I set off. I think I'm just going to hit the road and see how far I get. So I kind of woke up now it's raining. Right, let's crack on, see how we get to. Right, I'm literally about an hour away, absolutely shit. So, I actually can get an hour's kit before I carry on. I want to I'm going to go and crash in the back of the van before I bleeding crash into the back of somebody's van. So I'll see you in a little bit. And get some beauty sleep. I'll tell you what, that was needed. I meant to have an hour, and it's now 9:48. I feel a lot better though. So, back on the road. Should take me about an hour to get there, and then we'll try and decide where to go. Awesome. There is apparently a campsite there, but it's supposed to be a bit crap. Well, the facilities are. Location's supposed to be bob on. So we'll see. Right, let's go. Right, we're at Gordale Scar. We've got a bit of a dilemma. The road's closed, but the campsite's up there. So, am I allowed access to it because it's the campsite? Access open to businesses. Invisible. If you go into the business estate at the campsite, is the road still open? I don't know what to do. So, just spoke to the refreshments guy that you can see there. You can see we're in the band. There you go. Campsite's shut. So, looks like we're going to find somewhere else to park. Yay! Alright guys, 10 points if you can recognise that. So that is the top of Malham Cove, just over there, and that is where Harry Potter was filmed, where Harry and Hermione camped out for the night in the Deathly Hallows, and they were looking for Horcruxes. Pretty cool, so we'll go for a wander across there. Basically, it's a natural limestone formation. It's bloody windy up here, and I still need to find somewhere to park. I'll tell you what though, it's a great spot. Anyway, jump back in the van and see if we can find somewhere to park. Not a bad spot to park, is it? If we can get away with it for the evening. Or at least for a pitch up anyway. I don't know. But basically that's the main body of rocks there. So we'll go and check that out in shortly. But right now, I need a cup of coffee. I need to wake up. There's no way I'm going to go back to sleep now. But I've got all night, so no rush. Right now, I'll get changed, have a cup of coffee. I'll put some hot water on. See you guys in a few minutes. Right, got my cup of coffee. Got my eggs on the boil. I'm going to have some boiled eggs. Well, actually I'm going to take some boiled eggs with me. I'm going to make a egg and mushroom sandwich after I've done this. Right now I'm going to enjoy my stunning view. These ones there. There we go. Nice egg and mushroom sandwich for breakfast. Strawberry pavlova. Yesterday's purchase from Aldi. It just smells really nice. Can you smell it? Well, I've actually just had another couple of hours kip. I think this video is just going to be me vlogging me sleeping. Yeah, just kind of chill for a couple of hours, hoping the rain would pass. If you can hear that. It hasn't. It's still here. Still lashing it down. So I think I'm just going to have to put my boots on, put my coat on, and go for a wander. Might wake me up a bit as well. Right, come on, let's get cracking then. Oh, hang on. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that'll keep my ears warm. Awesome. Right. That's what we do need. Cup of coffee and a boiled egg. Yes. Perfect. Mwah. Guys, so in case you haven't realised, change of plan. Hang on, I can turn that off. Change of plan. I'm going to do the Harry Potter rocks, as we'll call them, tomorrow. A mate of mine's just turned up. Pub Life. Go check out his channel. And we're going to head over to the river pond thing, whatever it is. He's brought his dog with him, so it's a bit unfair to take the dog over onto the pond. So we're going to head over that way and take a walk down to the lake. And then we're going to make some dinner. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Right, so we're heading down to Malham tarn. I'm going to head down to the tarn, give you a bit of a shot of the tarn, and then I'm going to end it for today. So I need to get this uploaded and edited and everything. So I'll give you a quick shot of the tarn anyway. I'll head down there. Like I said, I'm here with Mr. Pub Life, new channel. If you're into mountain biking, vans, dogs, killing dogs with mountain bikes, I don't know. If you're into mountain biking and stuff like that, check his channel out. He needs the help. Also, check that out. Same boots. By sheer coincidence, we've ended up with the same pair of boots. It is actually a coincidence as well. Just across there you can see Malham tarn. Look at the big stately home above it. That would be an awesome place to live, wouldn't it? I bet they've got a few pennies behind them. Is that the Malham tarn, is it? I'm sorry, I think it's that one there. There's a professional setting his camera shots up. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there today. I'm wet through, I'm going to go back and get dried out in the van. Thank you for watching. More from Gordale Scar tomorrow, we'll do the Scar tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Daily vlog number 5. Never thought I'd get this far. Awesome. See you later. Adios, skis.